Video 4 for the Year 9 composition task, and in this video we're going to discuss the melody line. So I'm going to create a melody line which is more rhythmically complex, as you can see up here, this flute line. It's got quavers, crotchets, lots of semiquavers and all sorts of dotted crotchets and quavers. So yes, more rhythmically complex. It also contains more non-chordal notes. See if you can identify those non-chordal notes. Well, I decided to make your life a lot easier, and in our real score I've actually highlighted them here in pink. Okay, so all of these notes that I've highlighted in pink are non-chordal notes. They don't belong to the chord that is being used by the other parts in the respective bars. So as you can see, out of 5 notes here, 2 of them are non-chordal. Same here. Out of, a bunch of notes here, only 3 of them are non-chordal. Okay, probably in this bar and this bar and the last bar, I've used the most number of non-chordal notes compared to chordal notes. In fact, they're equal to each other, aren't they? So 2 non-chordal and 2 chordal notes in each of these bars. Another interesting thing to notice is that the start, the downbeat of every bar, the first beat of every bar, contains a chordal note. The only exception to that is on the very last bar. I've put this little fancy thing at the end here so that it actually, instead of ending on the downbeat, it ends kind of here on the second beat of the bar when it finally reaches the F note, which is the main note of the triad. Alright, so have a listen to the melody, and while the melody's playing, I might play with it the chord progression so that you can see how it sort of fits in, with the chords that are playing. Alright, so you can hear quite easily that melody is suiting, it's a great word, well, it suits the chords that are being used down here. What else can we say about it? Notice that most of my movement of my melody is stepwise, and if I do have leaps, I'm only doing little leaps, little leaps of a third here and there. There's certainly no huge jumps, and most of the time it's just moving stepwise. So that's a good thing to keep in mind. Alright, let's have a listen then to how the melody works with the other the other 2 parts. Sorry, I just went down to my mixer here, brought up my flute part a bit. It was a bit soft, wasn't it? Alright, and that's how you can create your melody part.